Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you are your own boss, in control of your time and income. With this proven step-by-step system, you'll have all the tools and guidance you need to turn your passion into a successful online business. Discover the ultimate blueprint to launch your own profitable online business from the comfort of your home. No technical skills or experience required. This is your chance to achieve financial freedom and make $100,000 per year. Here's everything you'll get. Phase 1. The Freedom Roadmap. Learn the insanely powerful blueprint to make 6- and 7-figure commissions as a complete beginner. Phase 2. The Automated Sales System. Learn how to build out fully automated passive income business system. Includes DIY products to promote. Phase 3. Gas on the Fire. The traffic roadmap to unlock unlimited customers to your offers. The 3 secret traffic methods to generate hundreds of thousands of leads. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Start building your empire today and join the ranks of successful online entrepreneurs. Check out the below link now.